Welcome to the Source of Solve series. In this solve, we will be focusing on how to calculate gas for travel requests. You may be asking yourself, when do I need to calculate gas? If your organization is submitting a budget request for travel expenses, you will need to calculate the amount of gas you are requesting. You will first need to calculate the miles you are traveling. To determine how many miles you are traveling, go to Google Maps. The web address for Google Maps is shown on the screen. From here, enter the destination to where your organization will be traveling. If you are staying at a hotel or traveling to a conference center, make sure to enter that address. Once you have entered this information, click the magnifying glass. Now enter your departure location. Once you have done this, click the magnifying glass. After, click the directions button. The travel distance and time will appear. Please note the total mileage of the trip. This will be used in future calculations. You will now need to find an average national price for gas. To determine this, go to gasbuddy.com. The web address is shown on the screen. The U.S. low, average, and high will be shown. Please note the average national gas price. This gas price will be used in the following calculations. Now it's time to begin the calculations. To calculate the total mileage for your trip, multiply the miles you found on Google Maps by 2. This is done because you are traveling to the location and back. You will now want to determine the number of total gallons you will need for your trip. Divide the total number of miles traveled by the miles per gallon on your rental vehicle. The miles per gallon on your rental vehicle is shown on the Enterprise website. Finally, calculate the total amount to request for gas. Multiply the total number of gallons by the national average price for gas. From the previous slides, we found the current national average price for gas is $3.44. You're almost done. Make sure to submit this calculation with your budget request. For more information on submitting a budget request, please watch the BMS walkthrough video available on OrgSync. This concludes our lesson on how to calculate gas for travel requests. If you have questions, please feel free to call the source at 330-972-2483, email us at source@uakron.edu, or stop by.